Albert Cash Advance. Without Genius access usually depends on whether your account already qualifies for the feature, because cash advances are not strictly tied to the paid subscription alone. By the end, you'll know how eligibility actually works, what still allows cash advances without Genius, and what stops approval completely. Start with the key misunderstanding. Albert Cash Advance is not automatically unlocked just because you have the app installed. Now explain what it depends on. Approval is based on your banking activity, account history, and internal risk checks. Now explain the important detail. Some users can still qualify for cash advances without Genius if their account already meets the internal eligibility requirements. Now explain what to do first. Open the Albert app and go to the Cash Advance section to check if you already have access. Now explain what it means. If you see an available limit, Genius is not required for basic access in your case. Now explain what if it is not available. If Cash Advance is not showing at all, it usually means your account has not been approved for the feature yet. Now, explain the first step to improve eligibility. Connect a consistent bank account and keep it active with regular deposits and transactions. Now explain why that matters. Albert uses banking patterns to evaluate financial stability before granting access. Now explain another factor. New or recently changed bank connections can delay eligibility updates. Now explain what to do. Avoid switching banks repeatedly while trying to qualify for cash advance access. Now explain behavior factor. Frequent failed attempts to access cash advance can sometimes slow down eligibility review. Now explain what to do. Give the app time to update your account status instead of repeatedly retrying. Now explain device and app condition. Using the latest version of the app helps ensure your account data is being evaluated correctly. Now explain limitation clearly. If your account does not meet internal requirements, Genius or no Genius, cash advance will not appear. Now explain what that means. That decision is handled automatically and cannot be manually overridden inside the app. Now, summarize the core idea. Albert Cash Advance without Genius is possible only if your account is already eligible based on banking history and risk checks. Improving account activity and stability increases your chances of getting access. And if eligibility is not granted, the feature simply won't appear regardless of subscription status. One practical next step, use a stable bank account, avoid switching connections, and check the Cash Advance section after a few days of consistent activity. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more clear explanations of financial app features without confusion or guesswork.